Your phone is the cheapest camera you can ever get, irrespective of the phone you're using, whether it's an iPhone 11, a Samsung Galaxy S20, iPhone 15, or an iPhone 16. I'm currently recording this video with my iPhone 16 front camera, and with some one or two settings, you can get the best out of your camera. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the settings, and I'll give you some one or two tips to help you whenever you are shooting videos or taking pictures. But for that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I've got more things in store for you. So before I show you guys the settings, there are some basic things you should know when it comes to taking a picture or recording a video. First thing is lighting. Lighting is very, very important. Lighting can change everything. Even if the video is not nice, the lighting can change it. That's why when you video something in natural light, it looks so nice. But when you come indoors and you video and there is no natural light, the video looks so ugly. So if there is no natural light, the replacement for the natural light, you can use a ring light, a softbox, or any proper lighting system to take your pictures or record your video. That's why you go to studios. We have those lights there to help them get the best out of the pictures they are taking. Yeah, so if there is no natural light, you have to get an artificial light. Let me put it that way, so you can get the ring lights. Currently, I'm using a softbox to record the video. I'm going to put it on the screen so that you guys can see the kind of softbox I'm using. And the second thing is always clean your lens whenever you come to take a picture or you come to record a video. It's very, very important. You know, bacteria, dirt, and those kind of things can cover the camera's lens. So it's important to clean your first camera lens whenever you come to use it. And also, the last thing I'm going to advise you is that try many angles you can. With the angles, you can be at a certain place and take picture from one particular angle. The picture is not going to look nice, but you can stand at a different angle and take that same picture. It's going to look different and it's going to look so nice. So whenever you come to take a picture, try as many angles you can. So pick up your phone and then you go to settings, scroll down and then you search for camera. Tap on the camera and make sure record video is 4K at 60 FPS, and also record cinematic is at 4K at 30 FPS. And after you're done, come to the format side and make sure that it is at most compatible. Most of yours is at high efficiency, but that one is not advisable, especially if you're going to post it on a platform like Snapchat. And also if you are going to edit that particular video. I don't know if you've realized this thing. People post things on Snapchat and then they'll post something with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, 40 Pro Max, or 16 Pro Max. They'll post a thing and the thing will look some way, like look so weird. It's because the camera is at high efficiency, and the high efficiency is not compatible with plenty platforms. So you have to make sure that it is always at the most compatible section so that you can do some adjustments. And even if it's at most compatible and then you want to edit it in an editing app like CapCut, you can increase the quality of the video by choosing by converting it to HD or Ultra HD. But if it's at high efficiency, you can't do that when you are editing. After you're done, come to preserve settings and then enable camera mode, like enable everything you see over here, action mode, like everything over here, and then you go back. I think that's all. And with the composition side, if your hands are shaky whenever you are shooting a video or you want to shoot like a correct video, like you see some angles, you can turn on the grid and everything are good to go. So you scroll down again, then come to portrait in photo mode, you turn it on. Prioritize faster shooting, turn it on, because let's say whenever you're shooting something faster, it's going to help you. And then lens correction, to turn it on. These are the settings you have to use whenever. It doesn't matter the device you're using, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, but then some of the settings are not on the other phones. Yes, but this is the iPhone 15, and every iPhone 15 camera settings also on the iPhone 16, and I think iPhone 14, 13 you can get it. Yes. So with the ones you have, just change them. And if you're using an Android phone, so it's literally the same thing, just that the process might differ a bit. So you just have to go to your camera settings and then turn on these settings. It's not something too difficult. These are the settings you need to do, but that's not all. Because if you watch this video up to this part, let me give you a secret. Anytime you're about to post a video on Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, make sure the video isn't in 4K. Because usually if you edit a video in 4K, you show the video in 4K and you edit it in 4K, the file becomes so large. What they do is that they don't support 4K uploads. So if you send a 4K file onto your social media platforms, this trick is excluding YouTube. If you send a 4K file onto your social media platforms and the file is very, very large, they are going to compress the file. So it's better you compress your file and then upload than them compressing the file. If they compress the file, you can edit a video with a very high quality pixels, but everything will reduce. That's why at first my videos were looking somewhere, because I didn't know the secrets, but I want to share this secret with you guys. So make sure you shoot your videos in 4K. When you are exporting that particular video, export it in 1080p. 4K is twice of 1080p, and 1080p is very okay if you're uploading on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok. If you upload it in 4K, they themselves are going to reduce the file for you and it will look so bad. So it's better you do it yourself than letting them do it for you. So that's the secret. So that's it. It's nothing too difficult. But then don't forget to like this video, share, and also comment. I'm going to leave my link to the other platforms in the description of this video. You can follow me there as well. I share short form tech content over there. And as usual, spreading tech wisdom everywhere.